Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. In this video, I want to share complete details regarding CMA final regular recorded classes for June as well as December 2026 examinations. As you know, already we started a complete regular batch for June 2026 examinations, that is a face-to-face batch. In that face-to-face batch, whatever the classes recorded, now we are selling those classes only in our website. In that batch, already Laden, CFR, IDT, I think 10 hours pending is there. That also will be done within next 5 to 6 days. Coming to the direct taxation, half of the syllabus only completed. The remaining of I am going to take in the next 1 month time. Now, coming to the remaining 4 subjects, we are going to start these 4 subjects of SFM and SCMDM, CMAD and SPMBV in the next month after December examinations. After completion of December exams, yes, we are going to start these 4 subjects in a face-to-face manner. Those classes only we are going to sell on our website. Now, I think you saw this thumbnail of all the old prices. Now, I will discuss about that. As you know, shikharatutorials we started nearly 5 months ago. From that, yes, we are keeping that subject-wise prices almost always 6,000 per subject. Yes. Now, these are the prices are old. After December 1st, we want to increase the prices because of many reasons. So, books also we want to provide in an color way, and as well as some subjects like SFM, direct access, SCM and CFR. The teaching hours also more compared to the other subjects. So that's why because of various reasons, we want to increase the prices for the regular classes. Now that information I want to share to you. So that's why I'm given the heading as an whole the old prices. So if you want to purchase any of these subjects, paper 13 to paper 20A, yes, up to 30th November, you can purchase 6,000 per subject, including books. Now, what will happen after 1st December 2025? Yes, law increased to 8,000. Yes, SFM 9,000. Direct tax 9,000. SCMDM 9,000 including books. Next CMAD 8,000. CFR 9,000. IDT 8,000 and SPMBV 8,000. If anyone wants to purchase the regular recorded classes for these attempts, yes, you can grab the old prices on or before 30th November 2025. And you know already group 3 classes now we are selling it for 22,500. Group 4 also 22,500. Both groups 40,000. So these prices will increase after 1st December, 30,000, 30,000, 55,000. Sir, what are the views, sir? 1.5 views. What is the validity? 9 months validity. How to purchase these classes, sir? Yes, simply you can just visit our website. In that website, yes, you can click on CMA final courses. In this, you will get an option of everything subject wise, group wise, as well as both groups also. You can purchase the classes immediately. After purchasing the classes, you will get a mail. In that mail, we will send you complete guidance regarding the how to watch the video classes and how to download our applications. If you want to watch that classes from the Windows or nothing but Android, or if you want to watch from iOS, we'll send the relevant app links also within that. And next, sir, is there any demo videos? Yes, all the demo videos are available in YouTube. Yes, you can check it out. If you want to check our free resources, nothing but for December 25 examination, we are provided the different free resources. You can download all the free resources also within our website www.shikharatutorials.in. Now, further details. If you want to get any details, yes, you can contact with this number, and this is on our website. Next, and these are the prices, whatever the old as well as the new prices. Within that, we can provide the books also through that post, and you can visit to this website. If any doubts you have with respect to these courses like CMA final, regular recorded classes for June as well as December 26, you can comment below to this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.